Omwaka gw'2023 ebiro 29 okwezi kwa mukaga amahanga agarukwegitara omwaka gwa European Union gakahinguza ekiragiro ekirukuzibira abashubuzi okugura omwani oguhingirwe omwitaka ero batemereho ihamba erukwetwa EU deforestation free n'ekigendero wacho kurinda obuhangwa n'ebibira. Ahabwe nshongeji Uganda etanikireho hururu yo kuhandika abahingi bona okubahereza enamba erukoreka emisire y'ibine nkoku aba Uganda Coffee Development Authority bari kushobora.
So that coffee from one farm can be separated from coffee from another farm. So they will use that traceability system using their technology, that is internet. They already have satellite maps that can actually take them to those geolocation points and show that there was no forest by 2020 or there was a forest.
Government is working to acquire funds. Those funds will be specifically to coffee farmers. There's a program which is being cooked. The government is in the kitchen. But now, people who will be accessing this fund will be coffee farmers.
Omushomo gw'abebembezi n'abahingi ogubira hariho Hoima Resort bashoborire ngo nibaza kubana batwara amazina obuhango bw'omusiri n'ebindi.
Date of farm registration, that one the system mentions it direct. Name of the farmer, date of birth, national ID, mobile contact, gender, location of the coffee farm, parish. Those ones you mentioned, but the system captures it.
And this must be done beginning 31st December 2025.
Bitu kandi bamwe omu bahingi borekera kutina omunkoreji.
Omwana wange njagala muyigiriza okulima omwani. Nga kitanze bwe yakikola ki? Bwe yagiyigiriza. Abaana abo be batwala ssente mu masomero bateekeddwa okubanga bamanyi wa ssente bwe zikola ki?
Government is kulinda obuhangwa. So it's so destructive. As if we don't exist. Our government mun address this issue. Yokulinda obuhangwa bwaitu. Kiri important mun.
Ababa abantu baruga omuza districts ezirumu Bunyoro, Chankwanzi, Kasanda hamwe na Mubende. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.